The best USB-C docking station we tested isn't the most expensive, the most business grade, or the one with the fastest ports. It's a compact $100 dock that quietly beats gear costing nearly twice as much. Stick around, because the reason it wins might change what you were about to buy. We compared 5 USB-C docking stations in the $50 to $250 bracket, scored across the 13 expert reviews we analyzed on display capability, reliability, ports, power delivery, and value. A dock's real job is turning a laptop into a multi-monitor desktop on one cable, so we weighted screens and reliability the heaviest. Here's the countdown, from 5th to 1st. At number 5, the Kensington SD4700P, a dual-monitor hybrid dock for around $90 to $160 at the time of recording. Its trick is flexibility. It plugs into USB-C or older USB-A laptops, so it fits a mixed fleet of machines. Its 5 ports run at 5 gigabits, and it backs all that with a 3-year warranty and TAA compliance. But this is a mature design, and it shows. Mature as in it remembers when laptops had DVD drives. Displays cap at 2K each, not 4K, and it feeds just 60 watts back to the laptop, light for a larger machine. It uses DisplayLink, so it needs a driver and isn't for gaming or protected 4K video. On the plus side, it's frequently on sale under $100. Just confirm 2K screens are enough before you buy. It scores a 7.4. Number 4, the Plugable UD-6950PDZ, a 12-in-1 triple 4K dock at around $180 to $200. This is the one to get if you own a Mac or thin and light that natively drives only a single external screen, because it pushes 3 monitors over ordinary USB-C, through 3 HDMI or 3 DisplayPort outputs, no Thunderbolt required, and still charges the laptop at 100 watts. It also runs DisplayLink, and that's the catch. It needs a driver, adds some CPU overhead, and isn't built for HDR, high-refresh gaming, or protected 4K video, and its 5 gigabit host link is shared across all 3 displays. For plain desktop work, reviewers say the output is hard to tell from a native connection. Just don't confuse it with the dual-display UD-6950PDZ. It scores an 8.0. Number 3, the Anker 568, an 11-in-1 dock built on USB 4. That 40 gigabit uplink is the headline. It gives more display and data headroom than a plain USB-C dock, handling a single 8K screen or dual 4K, plus 2 front USB-C ports that fast-charge phones at 30 watts each while the laptop pulls 100. 2 honest caveats, though. It carries a $300 list price that only lands in this bracket when it's discounted near $180 to $200, so check the current price. Some reviewers and buyers report occasional Ethernet drops and monitor flicker. The wired network is still only gigabit despite that premium controller, and on a Mac, multi-display support is more limited than on Windows. It scores an 8.3. Number 2 is the one to buy if reliability matters more than price, the Dell ProDock WD-25, around $170 to $200. This is business-grade hardware, rock-solid firmware, top customer ratings in 2026 roundups, and a 3-year warranty that IT departments love and IT departments do not love easily. It also outspecs most mid-range docks, with 6 10-gigabit USB ports, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and HDMI 2.1, and it can drive up to 4 displays across a wide range of laptop brands, not just Dell. The main asterisk, full 100-watt charging is reserved for Dell machines, so other laptops top out around 96, and you pay a premium for all that polish. It scores an 8.7. And number 1, the UGREEN Revodok Pro 313, a 13-in-1 dock for around $100 to $130. This is the best all-rounder we found, and it took a PC World editor's choice for a simple reason. It does the expensive stuff, triple. Display, 10 gigabit USB, and about 85 watts of charging back to the laptop, at roughly half the price of the business docks above it. Somewhere, a product manager is fuming. It runs 2 4K screens at 60 Hz rock-solid, pros in 10 gigabit USB-A ports and an SD and microSD card reader, comes with its own power supply, and packs it all into a compact aluminum body. The trade-offs are minor. Ethernet is gigabit, not 2.5, the built-in cable is short, the extra USB-C port is data-only with no video, and full triple 4K at 60 Hz needs a modern laptop with DisplayPort 1.4. For most home offices, none of that stings. It scores a 9.0. So here's the bottom line. The UGREEN Revodok Pro 313 is the best all-around pick, with triple display, fast USB and real charging for around $100. If your priority is bulletproof reliability, faster Ethernet and a long warranty, step up to the Dell Revodok WD-25. Prices in stock move around, so treat these as ballpark and match the exact model before you order. The full ranking is in the description, and if this helped, subscribe for a fresh buying guide every week. We read every review, so you don't have to.